Today I'm going to be showing you through Imagine's Pine Kit Home. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, perfect for a family. So here's a built duplex with 2 of our Pine Kit homes next to each other. As you can see, there is great open living in this floor plan, and it has large glass doors that open out onto an outdoor terrace. This area is perfect for entertaining. And down here we have the main bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite. Also on this floor we have a large double garage and laundry that leads out to a service court. And as we go upstairs we have this retreat area which is perfect for a second living room or a kids area, and 3 more bedrooms with a shared bathroom. This kit starts at $155,000 and it can be customized to fit your needs or the requirements of your site.